Sunday, everybody. It's a beautiful day out today. It's going to be about 96 degrees. I'm not doing any work HVAC related today, but you know, there's always these honey-do list things that need to be done. I just got done with one, and I probably got more I'm going to have to do. You know, there's never a day off when you can fix things. But I fixed a little bit of a plumbing issue. I'm not a plumber, but I play one on TV. So without further ado, enjoy this video. All right, so the wife said our daughter's bathroom sink is not draining. Let's see what she does, see if she fills up. All right, well, it's obviously not draining fast enough to not fill up. Let's turn the water off. Let's see how fast that drains out. Not very fast. I'll be back in 5 minutes. Let's see if it's drained out. If it hasn't, I mean, obviously I'm still going to fix it. I got to pull some crap out of there and clean the trap out. It's probably what it is. All right, I gave it about 10 minutes or so, and she drained down. So not as bad as my wife made it out to be, but it's not draining as fast as it should. So we're going to clear this out, and we will pull that trap out and clean it. I'm going to do my sink too while I'm at it, and mine's a little bit more embarrassing. I got hair in there and all kinds of stuff in my sink because I'm a guy. All right, let's get this doors open and let's see what we can find. So much crap in here. This with my hand. I might have to go get a wrench. Let's see if I can get you some better lighting here. All right, let's see if I can get this with my hand. Oh yeah. Simple little things that you guys can do around your own house to fix. That's why they make these traps come off easy. Let me go get a bucket first before I loosen that all the way. I'm going to take all the crap out of here. I didn't want to have to. I'll put a bucket under there. Alright, she's happened to have her little sand bucket right here, so that worked out good. Ugh, yuck. Oh, I can tell there's a bunch of stuff in there. There's already stuff hanging out. Oh, yuck, yuck, yuck. All right, let's see what this trap looks like. All right, I've seen worse. It's not too bad. Probably the worst problem is probably in the spout coming down right off the sink, the piece of pipe there. So I'll get in there. I'll clean this guy outside. I'm not going to clean it in this sink. That kind of defeats the purpose, right? I'll get all the gunk in this sink. But I'll take it out. I'm going to spray it out with my hose. And heck, maybe I'll just take my shop vac to it real good, tape it on there, and suck it out. See what we can do about the down piece off the sink first. All right, let's pull this one off. I don't want to pull that. Compression fitting here. Just pull off once you get that loose. Okay, oh yeah, that thing's nothing in there, but that thing's got lots of crap in it. And I might have to take this guy loose. Probably gonna need a wrench to get that off of there. I'd love to be able to do it without having to take this whole entire thing out though. There we go. That's what we wanted. So now I got him pulled out. And that'll allow me to get this thing cleaned out from up above, which is what I would prefer. Oh yeah, now I can just I'll get a brush in there or something. Maybe my wife's toothbrush. Something to clean that out. Alright guys, you know how they say necessity is the mother of invention. So what I'm going to do is I found a perfect little I don't know what this is. It was in an old toolbox of mine. This long screwdriver type deal. But that'll fit right in my drill. I'm going to take this little, I don't know, it's one of my wife's little Swiffer things or whatever I cut up. I'm going to wrap it around there, and then I'm going to wrap this piece of sandpaper around there and tape it on with some electrical tape. I'm going to use that to clean out my pipe. I think it'll work. Hey, it's something to do on a Sunday afternoon. Alright, that should work out pretty good. That fits perfectly down the sink, the spout of the sink there, the opening. And I should be able to get that sucker polished up real nice, that inside of that ABS pipe. Hey, I like it. I like it a lot. Let's go do it. Let's see how this works. Shoot, it might be a little bit too thick. Damn it. Oh, that. Hold on. This thing came out. That doesn't even stay attached. Alright, plan B. Alright, I improvised a little bit. So I just took this rod part of that screwdriver deal, wrapped some toilet paper in there, put my sandpaper around the toilet paper, and electrical taped it on real well. So this should work. Plan B. Oh, I should be running water while I'm doing. Oh, look at that. Yum, yum, yum. That's how full is my bucket. Not full at all, so we can run water through it a little bit while we're doing it. Am I going all the way through? Not really. I could do it from underneath too. Oh yeah, she's clear now. I'm gonna go up from underneath too though, I think. Alright, let's see if I can get this in from underneath. That thing's not flexible. I think for the rest of it, I'm just gonna take this by hand and run it up in there. Oh, she's clear, baby. She's clear. think what I'm going to do now is just run some real soapy water through it, and we should be golden. Yeah, there's nothing even on my little tape deal here, my little sandpaper deal. So yeah, we're nice and clear. Clean that trap out real good now. Yes. Air pocket. Goddamn air. Yeah, we're good. Nice and clean. All right, let's do some reassembly here. Get this shit to light up. It's always the tricky part. Get that rod back in there. There it is. Get that nut back on there. And double check and make sure everything's working the way it's supposed to. And it is. Okay, nice and tight. Let's get our... Did I drop that piece in there? No. Where's my little compression piece? What did I do with that? Might be over at the other sink. Hold on a second. All right, it took me about 10 minutes to find this piece. It rolled underneath the cabinet. What I'm not getting on video here is I'm getting distracted a lot by my 5-year-old, and then every time I take 2 steps, my dogs need something. So yeah, it's easy to get distracted in my household trying to do something. But I'm gonna go outside and clean this guy up with the hose, just like I did the trap portion, and I'll put her back together. All right, piece is all nice and clean. You can eat off of it. Let's pump him back up into place. Got our nice clean trap here. Tighten that down. If you can see that or not. Get that one started. Easier said than done. I need 3 hands. Kind of like that guy in Total Recall, wishes he had 3 hands. If you've seen the movie, you know what I'm talking about. Alright, let's make me wish I had 3 hands. Oh. That tight. Let's make sure that's up where we want it. About right in there. I got 5 kids to feed. Nice and tight. Check that one. All good. Let's pull our bucket out of here. So what I'm going to do now is go get some dish soap, and I'm going to run real hot water through that for a good 5 minutes, make sure we're all good, and that should end it. Alright, I got my dish soap there. Before I open this up and start draining, let's get some of this muck out of here. We don't need any of this old stuff back in there. Okay, looking good. Let's open her up. Let's Here, let's do this. Let's close that back. Let's get a bunch of soap in there. Just like that. Let's fill this up with some hot water. Water heater's right on the other side of the wall, so it gets real hot in this sink real quick. That fill up. It's about as fast as it filled up with the plunger up, with the stopper up before. See how fast it'll drain out now. If you're a grown man and you own a home and you can't do simple repairs like this, you better turn in your man card right now. Alright, let's let this fill up and I'll be back to see how fast she drains. Alright, she's all the way filled to the overflow. Let's go ahead and see how fast she drains. Oh, look at that. That's what I'm talking about. Run some cold water through there. Get all her suds out of there. Now you can use this to clean the sink now. Get all those suds out of there. You can see how nice this is flowing. As if you can't tell already. There we go. That's what we're after right there. I'm going to go fix my sink, and I'm going to go do some other stuff around the house. Maybe I'll get some more footage of some of my fun fixes here around the house today on this lazy Sunday.